Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
For this worksheet is containing past paper questions for around 10 to 15 years. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you will get all varieties of questions here. You will get here all varieties of questions. If you do this worksheet, you can solve any sort of questions. Okay, look, here we have MCQ questions. Uh, how many MCQ questions here? Look, so many MCQ questions. 40 MCQ questions. Here, and after that, we have structured. Let's see, structured questions are here. When you will do all these questions, you will be a confident learner. You can solve any type of questions coming in the exams.
Okay, sir.
So here we go. We have the first question here. This is related to lens. You know, light is a very big topic. Normally, we don't give so many MCQs. We normally give around 15 to 20 MCQs for other topics. But for these topics, I gave you more MCQs and more structured questions as it is a big topic. And in every year, we are getting at least 2-3 MCQs from light. Only from this topic, we have 2-3 MCQs. And structured questions also we are getting from this topic. So if you practice more, that will be a good preparation for your exams. Okay, is it clear to
Okay,
you?
sir.
Now can you read it please, Mahi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read the question.
The diagram shows a thin converging lens of focal length f. Where must an object be placed to produce a real image in the position showed?
Okay, so here you drew the image position from the object before, right? So it will be
Yes,
new
sir.
experience for you to draw object position from image. So how we will do it? We will do it using ray diagrams. You are present in last class and you have the idea how to draw ray diagrams, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you got 3 ray diagrams. Out of 3, you have to draw the ray going through optical center. It is a must, and the other 2 rays you can draw any one of them, either the first ray or the third ray you can draw. I'm showing you what I'm saying about. I'm showing you. Just give me a minute. I'm showing you, huh? Then you'll understand it. Because I want to teach you how to catch fish so that you can catch your own fish every day. If I always catch fish for you, then the whole life, my whole life, I have to catch fish for you, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, do you want to learn how to catch fish? Or always you want to be fed by me?
Sweet.
Sir,
Look,
I caught a fish once in my life.
what?
I've caught one fish only once in my life.
Oh, what type of fish?
I don't know. It's a big.
Big, like your size.
No.
As if you are saying it's like your size, it's a big one. So you could alone took it at home, or you took help from your parents and other people, as it's so big.
Sir, it's big
How many
like it's
tons?
it's like it's like 20 no 5 kg.
Okay, okay. 5 kg is, mashallah, it's a big one. So from where you caught it? From Jeddah or in Bangladesh?
Jeddah.
Jeddah. In the uh, Red Sea,
No, sir.
where it is.
I don't remember. It was a long time ago.
Long time ago. So it was when you were like 20 years back, right? You did it. That's why you cannot remember.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Look here. This is the way to draw the ray diagrams. We got that one, right? So it was the first ray, this was the second ray, and it was the third ray. I said the second ray, one is going through the optical center. We must have to draw. And this is the technique. You see, uh, the ray diagram you drew from the object. Now we will do it reverse. We will draw it from image head. Okay, from image head we will draw the ray, and it will go straight. Then we will draw either the lower one or the upper one. Is it clear?
Yes,
That
sir.
is the first ray or third ray we will do. So we normally do with the first ray, uh, so that it's going through the focal point, and we can continue it with parallel the other side. So let's try it. There. Uh, for this type of diagrams, you have to draw. Otherwise, you will not get the correct position. Okay, I'm showing you how to draw. You don't have the printed one with you. Otherwise, you can also draw. Can you do a favor for me, all of you? You can take a printout of this worksheet. That will be easier for you to write the notes on the worksheet, and it will be a good resource for you in the O levels. Can you do it for me? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Okay, please do it. So here, what you have to do, first you draw the optical axis. To the optical center, you
Uh,
draw the optical
Sir, my network
axis.
is having problem. I
Okay,
can't
we
hear.
have the,
I can't hear any.
yeah, we have the recording. Okay, you can see it. Okay, look how we are drawing.
Sir,
Your, yes, your first ray should go straight through the optical center. Look, from the image head, it will continue. Are you seeing the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So you, when you are drawing, you should give the diagram this way, so that you can understand how you are drawing. Now the other ray, you should draw from here. It will go through the focal point. Focal point, it will go, and it will go to the lens. Okay. After going to the lens, then you see it will come here, huh? Parallel. It will be parallel now, huh? It is focal point, huh? F. Principal focus. Then it will come here, huh? The parallel rays. My line is not going straight properly. That's why the diagram is not, the lines are not straight. So it's not that much exact. But if you are drawing with ruler, it will be more exact. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here you go. It is the position of the object. So our answer is B here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So one thing you can do now, on your copy you write this one, worksheet on topic 14 light. Then you write MCQ part. Write MCQ part. Then you write question 1. Question 1. The answer is B. Then you write. Then you draw this diagram. On your copy you draw this diagram. Quickly. It is a look. If you draw this, if you take these notes, you will get any questions like that. You can solve both in structure and MCQ part. That's why I strongly compel you to draw it. And when you will get the printed one, you take the notes over there. Huh? On your notes, you take the notes. Hello, are you drawing?
Yes, sir.
Where is Mahi? Let me know once you're done with drawing. Huh?
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Arabi?
Done.
Okay, very good. What about Mahi? Okay, can you read this diagram? Hmm? Monica?
Number 2.
Yes, yes, please.
A solid plastic cylinder is immersed in a liquid of refractive index 1.4. Light traveling in the plastic cylinder strikes the inside surface at the angle of incidence of 70 degrees. The light undergoes total internal reflection. What are the values of the critical angle in the plastic and the refractive index of the plastic?
Okay. Okay. So refractive index depends on the density, right? If
Yes,
the
sir.
if the refractive index is more, that means the density of the medium is more. We got this idea before, now we are repeating. So you take this note again here. For MCQ2, you write this note. I'm writing, you also write. Yeah, your first note is refractive index depends on the density of the medium. If refractive, if density is more, then what? What should I write now? I'm checking your concentration. Yeah, Monica, Farabi, what should I write now? Hello, Monica, Farabi. Hello, Monica.
Yes, sir.
What should I write now? If density is more than
More than equal total internal reflection.
refractive index is more, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If density is more, then refractive index is more. Like if you have water and glass, where the refractive index will be more? Hmm? Between glass and water, which one is more denser?
Glass.
Glass. So refractive index value will be more in glass. I'm writing also that one. For example, refractive index is more in glass than water. Is it clear? Farabi, Monica, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please take
sir.
these notes, then it will be easier for you to understand. Look, they are saying the light undergoes total internal reflection. Light undergoes total internal reflection. So if it is total internal reflection, light must goes from denser to rarer medium, isn't it? Denser to rarer medium, and the angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle, right? So what are the two conditions for total internal reflection? You know that, right? Can you remember those two conditions? Two
Yes, sir.
conditions. Yeah, two conditions. All this you know, I'm just repeating. Two conditions for PIR. I'm writing in short. PIR means total internal reflection, right? So what is the first condition? Light should travel should
travel
travel
medium.
from denser to rarer medium, right?
Yes, sir.
Rarer medium. So denser to rarer medium means it's going from denser to less denser medium. Rarer means less denser, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, light should travel from denser to rarer medium. And second condition is angle of incidence should be greater than greater than critical angle, right? Isn't it? Angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle. So using these
Angle.
informations, can you find the answer now? What are the values of the critical angle in the plastic and the refractive index of the plastic? Can you say me the answer now?
Critical angle. No notes. Oh my gosh. More than 70 degree.
Okay, then the other part, refractive index of plastic.
Mm, I don't know. It depends on the density. Oh. More than 1.4.
What about Farabi?
Sir, can you repeat?
Yeah, you check from A, B, C, D, which one will pick. From this discussion, uh, you understood all the information. Then using this information, you can find the answer, right? A, B, C, D.
Yes, sir.
Which one should be your answer? Critical angle in plastic, it should be greater than 70 degree or less than 70 degree.
Sir, can you repeat what did you say?
Yeah, this one. Critical angle in plastic is greater than 70 degree or less than 70 degree. Which one you'll choose?
Sir, greater than 70?
Why greater than 70? Look, this one is angle of incidence, right? This one.
Yes, sir.
And for the condition for total internal reflection is your angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle. But the question is asking you opposite way. What will be critical angle in plastic? They did not ask you about the angle of incidence. If it is asking like angle of incidence, then you can say greater than critical angle. But what they are asking about, opposite way they are asking. Critical angle in plastic. So critical angle is smaller than this 70 degree, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
They are asking you in opposite way. So your answer should be less than 70 degree. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
And here I told you that uh, the condition for total internal reflection, light should travel from denser to rarer medium. So the plastic is denser, right?
Yes, sir.
So plastic, if it is denser, then according to this information, the refractive index of plastic should be more, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Do you agree? So what should be the answer now? A, B, C, D?
C.
C. Yes, C for correct. You understood it now, Monica?
Yes, sir.
It is one of the, most, high difficulty level questions. They are not asking you directly, they are asking you indirectly. Is it clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Farabi,
Yes, sir.
are you clear? So this
Yes,
way
sir.
we will solve the questions we have. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way we will solve all of them. Now I'm going for some easy questions. Huh? I am going for some easy questions. You can understand them easily. In Cambridge, we are getting easy questions also, right? Around 40 to 50% questions they are giving easy, and medium questions they are giving around 30 to 40%. Difficult questions they are giving 10 to 15%, and 5% to 10% questions they are giving pretty much highest difficulty level. So this is one of the easiest questions. Question number 3. Can you read it, Farabi?
What is the name and shape of lens used to correct short sight?
Just before starting the worksheet, we did this. Short sight. Short sight means short-sighted eye, isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
short-sighted eye, they can see near object properly, like you people. You cannot see the far object properly.
Yes,
So
sir.
which one we should use? Which one you are using for correcting the, your eye problem? Diverging or converging?
Can I say
Yeah, in your notes it's available. Yeah, it's C.
C?
Yes,
C.
C. Again, it is C. Correct. So it is one of the easiest question, huh?
Yes.
Diverging. And here we have converging and diverging. The other things you see, A and D is completely wrong, right? They are
Yes, sir.
Yes,
they
sir.
are writing diverging for converging lens. They are writing converging for diverging lens. So you can ignore A and D quickly. Only you just have the idea from B and C. So C is the correct answer, right? And
Yes, sir.
for long side, which one you use? Converging, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
Yes.
we ask you for long side, then you will give converging. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mm,
Okay. Now this one, 4. Question number 4.
an object is placed on
Can you read loudly, Farabi?
An object is placed in front of converging lens. These lenses form the magnified image of the object in a screen. Of which statement is correct?
So we got here two information. Farabi, we get
Yes, sir.
here two information. One is magnified image. Another one is we can show it on the screen. So from your notes, you check which one we can show on the screen and it is magnified.
form is a
Is
vertical
it, isn't it related to projector one?
projector one.
Yeah. Projector 1 we can show on the screen. Look, we got magnified image for magnifying glass and for the projector. Didn't we?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if it is not on the screen, then we could take the last one, like the lens is acting as a magnifying glass, or the image is right way up, or it is virtual image. But it's on the screen. So we cannot take B, we cannot take C, we cannot take D. So what can we take? We can take A. The distance between the object and the lens is greater than the focal length. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The distance between the object, that is the object distance, is greater than the focal length. You see,
Focal length.
that means you see the object is in between focal length and the double of the focal length. Can you see in the diagram? It's between f and 2f, isn't it? Check out. Your object is between f and 2f, right? Which is showing that
Yes, sir.
it's greater than the object distance is greater than focal length. And the other options you see, those are showing about the virtual image. Those are showing right way up is virtual image property, and it is magnifying glass. So this all three properties are for magnifying glass, and which cannot be shown on the screen. Is it clear now? It is
Yes,
also a
sir.
tricky question. It's also a tricky questions. Now this one, using the idea of reflection of light, law of reflection. What is the law of reflection? Can you remember?
When light hits a small, smooth, shiny, and opaque surface, it bounces off.
Yeah, that is definition of reflection. And other than this definition, we have also law of reflection. That is saying as angle of incidence should be equal to the angle of reflection. I equals R, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So using that idea, we will solve these questions now. So can you go through it, Monica?
The angle of incidence of ray OP on the plane mirror MN, the mirror is rotated 10 degree as shown by the dashed line. The direction of the incident ray OP does not change. What is the new angle of incidence?
Yes, what is the new angle of incidence? We have to find it.
Angle of
So
incidence.
you see the ray is not changing. Ray is coming from the place is coming like before, but the mirror is little bit uh, going up, right? 10-degree inclined. Left side is going up and right side is going down. So that point, in that case, what will be the angle of incidence?
Angle of incidence.
Uh,
50 degree.
yes, 50-degree. How it is 50-degree?
If we rotate the mirror, the angle
Hmm,
of
hmm.
incidence will bend a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. Because here, if you bend it, look, your Rabi, did you understand? Monica already understood it. Then, if you
Yes, sir.
bend it this way, 10-degree, then your normal will come here, right? Normal will not be here. Normal will come here, 10-degree, isn't it? It will be the new position of the normal. So, ray is still coming from here. So, we know angle of incidence is the angle between normal and incident ray. It is now becoming 50-degree. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Farabi? So that is the idea, that angle of incidence is the angle between normal and incident ray. Is it clear? Hello? Farabi, is it
Yes, sir.
clear? So please draw this diagram. Huh? Draw this diagram, MCQ 5. Then the answer is C, 50 degree. Otherwise you will forget. Let me know once you are done with drawing, and by this question our today's class is over, and I want you to try more 5 MCQs. This is your homework, okay? Try MCQ 6 to 10. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Try MCQ 6 to 10 at home. Only I gave you little homework, not so much. Are you done with the diagram? Farabi? Hello, Farabi.
Yes, sir, done.
Yeah. Monica, are you done with the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, Farabi.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Thank you, sir.